Hello guys, welcome. So in this video we're going to be fixing the activation problem for Rainbow Six Siege. And there's this very handy tutorial that anyone can do. It's very simple. So guys, you just need to find your, as you can see, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege game in your library in Steam. You go to installed files and then you just press on verify integrity of game files. This will basically analyze and scan the entirety of your game folder, all of the gaming files, all of the executables, everything else, and search for any mismatches or maybe corrupted files, anything like that. And as you can see, you just need to press on this button, wait until it verifies, and then try starting the game once again. So this is how to fix this issue, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. Enjoy, guys. I know it's frustrating. I've had similar problems as well, had to fix them, but well, we're here to help you. Like the video, subscribe. See you next time.